be needing for this lash cast is the lashes. I'm using Misykona lashes in here. I love the lashes. Then you need a mascara. This is the Younger Beauty mascara, extra volume, extra lengthening. You need this lash glue. I love this lash glue. Any lash glue will do, but this works for me. This lash glue. Then tweezers, scissors, and black pencil. So I'm not using black pencil. This is Debbie Lost black pencil. So let's start. So first thing I do is lashes. Take it out. I've used this over and over again. So take your scissors. You see this edge here. Okay. So that it's comfortable when it's sitting. In the inner corner of the eye. Then I line my eyes. When I'm lining my eyes, I make dotted lines and I connect them. So this line is going to be as close to your eyelash as possible. The reason why we're doing that is just because if we skip, you won't be seeing your flesh when you apply the lashes, just in case you skip. The mascara. So I take get this angle brush, slim angle brush. Then I apply. So another trick you need to know is your mirror needs to be underneath, like it needs to be below. If you build a mirror like this, you probably might not be able to get it. So you need to have maybe like a mirror like this, just put it under and then you can see, so and then that's all. That's all. Can you see? So it looks really neat and stays upon. So I'm going to do the other eye so you can see like the same. So that's all. So that's all. Can you see how easy it is to fix the lashes? So all you need to do is just use your tweezer, the back of the tweezer, to just make sure that it's gluing onto the eyelash. And then you can use this to clamp on the real lash and the false lash. So that's it. Can you see the difference? No lash, lashes, no lash, lashes. Can you see how lashes transform you? So that's easy. We're going to be repeating the same process for the other eyes. I'm using the Lash pencil to line my eyes. Okay, and that's it. Going with Younger Beauty mascara. Just because I need lashes not coil into the false lash, so just if you can't do that, you can do the method too. You take your lash glue, apply on the eyelash, just like that. Okay, and then you apply on yourself. So what I normally do is I have a mirror that I'm just going to place under a table and then I look into it. So you start from the smallest to the big. So the smallest come to the inner corner and then the white spreads out. Okay. And then I put the screw. Can you see? So just need to do this. Okay. So that's it. That's easy to do. Very, very simple and easy to do. So if you feel like you miss a point, you can still go back in with your pencil and just line the top so that it gives you that definition and you're not seeing any liner or anything. So that's how it works. Another tip I will quickly share is if you have your eyelid coming together, maybe because you missed the mark and you stained your eyelid, just take a flat brush and your powder and then go over it with your powder. So what that does is it takes away the tackiness so your lids stop going. If this video has helped you to be able to do your lashes, kindly tag me in your pictures at Misykona on Instagram, or let me know in the comment section below. I will put all the products I've used in the description box. And thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you know when I post, and then like the video so that I can know that I'm doing a great job. That kind of helps my morale and it makes me want to do more. So thank you so much guys, I love you, and till my next video, bye.